Diodes look something like this. They only allow current to flow in one direction. We use this symbol to represent them in engineering drawings. To test them, turn the dial to the diode setting. Connect the red lead to the diode terminal and the black lead to the COM terminal. If we connect the leads like this, we should read OL, because the diode has blocked the meter from taking a reading. When we reverse the leads, a value should appear, typically between 0.5 and 0.8. If OL displays on both orientations, or a reading of around 0.4 appears in both directions, then the diode is faulty and needs replacing. We can also check diodes with the resistance function. We should see a value of between 1 kiloohm to 10 megaohms, and reversing the connections, we should just see OL. LEDs are also diodes. They just emit light. We can use the diode function to test these also. The LED should produce a dim light. LEDs only light in one direction and block the current in the reverse direction. Higher voltage LEDs will not show a value.